All right, so in this video, I'm going to talk about the Shopify app that you should be using to run Google Shopping, and I'm also going to show you how to set up the settings in Merchant Center. So just to give you an overview, Google Shopping runs on a product feed, and that product feed is housed in Merchant Center. So I've drawn this little mind map of how it works, right? So we've got Shopify here, right? This is your Shopify store. Within your Shopify store, we're going to use an app, and that app is going to send data to Merchant Center, right? So we need to sign up for Merchant Center, and then your product feed is created in Merchant Center. And once the product feed has been approved by Google, then the product feed is passed to Google Ads or Google AdWords. So in this video, I'm going to be talking about these two steps here, right? So firstly, the app that you should be using, right, is not the free Google Shopping app, right? This is a really, really shit app. It's going to cause you a lot of headaches. It's going to waste a lot of your time. There's a lot of limited capabilities this app has. You can only create one Google Shopping feed. If you want to scale to multiple geos, like if you want to scale outside the US, you can't do it. I've had nothing but problems with this free Google Shopping app. So the Google Shopping app that we want to use is this. It's just called Google Shopping Feed, right? This is like the best app. It's not that expensive. It depends on how many products you have. So if you've got, it should be only like $5 a month, right? You should only have up to about 500 products on your store, right? $5 is nothing, and it saves you so many headaches. So go ahead and install this app, and we're just gonna leave this. We're not gonna set up the app yet because I'm gonna show you how to set up Merchant Center first before we set up the app. So just install the app and just leave it like that, right? So now let's go ahead and set up our Merchant Center account. So just type into Google Merchant Center, click on the first listing, and go sign up. Pick United States, the name of your store, Trending Lodge, your website address. You want to put the full HTTPS at the start. I just registered this domain like a while ago, so I'm going to use it as the store name. Then go continue. Terms and conditions, just read them and check them. So website verification. So what you want to do now is you need to claim your URL address in Merchant Center, right? So the way to do this, the easiest way to do this is through the HTML tag. So you want to copy this. You want to go to your store, go to themes. So actions, you want to go to edit code. And then, so go to theme.liquid. And then we want to look for body. And we just want to put it just before the closing head tag here. So you want to, you just want to go, I just went Command F and typed in body, right? And then this is the opening tag of the body, and this is the closing tag of the head, right? So it's better to just copy and paste that. So if you're trying to look for it, just type in head and find this, and then paste in the verification, then hit save. So then we come back and click verify URL, and then it should come up claimed and verified. If it comes back with an error, just go back and check that the code was pasted within the head tag, and then go finish. All right, so this is Merchant Center now. So now we just got to set up our tax settings and shipping settings. So you want to come down to tax here, and you want to configure no nexus for all states since we're drop shipping. Then you want to come down to shipping, and we're going to set up a shipping zone for the United States. So when you scale out to different countries, and I'll teach you this later, you have to create a separate shipping zone for each country. So right now we're just testing in the United States, right? So the name is going to be dependent on what you choose for shipping. Right, so I always recommend to charge $2.99 for shipping if orders are under $25. And then if orders are over $25, I recommend free shipping. So I'm going to show you how to set this up. So I'm going to call the service setting under 25, $2.99, and then over 25, free. United States. So we want to put in here the transit time in business days. I always put 3 to 10 days. Like, I reckon this hasn't been proven or anything, but I reckon if you put in like the actual time, like say 14 to 30 days, Google might not reward you as highly in the auction. And I've never had a problem with putting in 3 to 10 days. So I recommend just putting in 3 to 10 days. If you run into problems down the track, you can put in like 14 to 20 days, but start off with 3 to 10 days. And then you want to come down to here to shipping rates, right? And this is where we're going to break up the under 25 over 25. So shipping rate name, put free shipping over 25. And then we want to do it by order price. So we want to put 0.01 to 24.99, right? We're going to charge $2.99 for shipping. If it's $25 or more, we're going to charge $0, right? So free shipping over 25, that's all this means. We want to go continue, and we want to go save. And that is our shipping setup. Cool, so that is all you need to do in Merchant Center. So let's go on to the next video.